Hey, what is up everybody? It is AJ here, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel or adjust your Xbox Live subscription. Of course, if you do find this video useful, let me know by giving a thumbs up, and if you want to supercharge raise your computer, hit that subscribe button as well. With that being said, let's jump on the computer and learn how to cancel or adjust our Xbox Live subscription. So the first thing we're going to do is head over to our Microsoft account on a web browser, which is simply account.microsoft.com, and then signing on in. Simply hit sign in. Pop in your account details, and then once you're signed in, you're greeted with a page like this. If you have some Surface devices, it'll show you information about that here, but at the top here it also shows you your subscriptions. I have two subscriptions with Microsoft, one being Microsoft 365 Family and the other on the right hand side being the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, and we're simply going to select on Manage Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. So you can see here that we have an order renew every month, and it's $15.95 Aussie every month. Underneath that, we can see our billing history if we needed a history of it. We could redeem a code if we had a prepaid gift card. We could turn off the auto renew or cancel our subscription altogether. Before I hit cancel, I'm going to actually select on the option of turn off auto renew and show you a few different options you can choose here. So right now we are currently on the gold membership, and this gives us basically everything under Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. If you were finding that you only wanted to play if you only wanted Xbox Game Pass on your PC, or only Xbox Game Pass on your console, or just Xbox Gold, you could actually hit one of these switch now buttons, and you see that these are cheaper plans. But if you want to cancel it altogether, instead of switching to a cheaper plan, we're simply going to select on back to subscription, and then we're going to select on the option down the bottom here called cancel subscription. So we select on this option here. It's going to take us to the exact same page anyway, but you can see down the bottom here, it says cancel subscription in the blue button, and I'm simply going to go ahead and select on cancel subscription. You can of course renew this at any point that you want, but if you find, like me, you haven't used it for a couple of months, you can cancel. So it was really easy. I just hit the cancel button, and then it tells me my subscription is going to end the 20th of June 2023. If I wanted to resubscribe, say it was a mistake, I can simply hit on the resubscribe option now or later on, or I can simply select on back to subscription. So you can see here, if we hit back to subscription, we have the option of, it tells us that we're going to expire on the 19th of June, but if we wanted to turn that auto renew back on, we simply select on this button here, go turn on auto renew, and then you get access back to your Xbox Live Ultimate again. And there you have it. It is that easy to cancel or change your Xbox Live Gold subscription. Of course, if you did find this video useful, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. If you want to supercharge the ways your computer, hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.